Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Today we have a simple but tasty recipe for pork bone Chinese noodle soup. So today we're making the pork noodle soup, the Chinese soup. So I'm going to put anywhere from 6 to 8 cups of water. We had a pork roast yesterday. So this is the pork bone from the shoulder of the pork roast. So I also have a bit of meat that I'm going to put in there. This is also from yesterday. I'm going to add 2 pieces of ginger. I've got some whole cloves of garlic. I'm going to put 6 to 8 of these garlics in there. Now I'm going to add 1 large carrot, which I have chopped up. Got an onion in here, so I'm going to throw the onion in there. Bring the broth to a boil, then reduce the heat to low to medium. So let's check on our soup. It's been about half an hour. So the shoulder bone is a real good bone for making soup. So this was from our pork roast. So the shoulder bone has lots of flavor. It's a joint bone. So we're at the halfway point right now, about half an hour. So we'll cook it for at least another half hour or more. So be sure to chop up the pork pieces from the bone. So you put that into the soup. And then from the bone here you have other pieces of meat you can just use, and be sure to save some of the meat from the roast to put in as well. So you get about maybe 6 ounces of meat here. You can put more pork if you want. I got some water boiling for the noodles. Put 2 teaspoons of oil into the water. Put a teaspoon of salt, so this will prevent the noodles from sticking. So this is the 4K noodles. These are really nice noodles for soup and stir fry. It's better to use a large pot, but if you use a small pot, make sure the noodles don't stick. So just bend the noodles and they'll go into the water. So I'm going to add the pork that I cut up back into the soup. So noodles have been going for about 5 minutes now. So we're just going to rinse the noodles out in cold water. So put the noodles in the strainer, rinse it through in cold water. So just a quick rinse in cold water will do it. The soup has been going for a steady boil. So I'm going to put the noodles in. So for added flavor, you can put a little bit of this chicken soup base. You don't really need it, but I'm going to put a tablespoon of this chicken soup base in there just for added flavor. You can leave the soup stock semi-clear, or you can add some more color and flavor. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. And some people like to add some oyster flavor sauce for the soup as well. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. So I'm going to put some Chinese vegetables. You can use bok choy or whatever Chinese vegetable you like. I've got some yu choy, so just throw that in the soup stock. You can cook it right in the soup stock. There you have it, a simple and tasty recipe for pork bone noodle soup. Enjoy. Thanks for checking out my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Any questions and comments are always welcome. And also like to thank my viewers for helping me win the top 20 best Chinese food blogs in the world. And I was also awarded the top 40 best China YouTube channels in the world. And please subscribe by pushing the button over here.